Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge tech insights. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the exciting new release of the Clix keyboard case, a BlackBerry-style physical keyboard case now available for select Android devices from top brands like Google, Samsung, and Motorola. Designed to bring back the nostalgic yet highly functional experience of a physical keyboard reminiscent of the classic BlackBerry smartphones. And by doing so, it frees up precious screen estate that would otherwise be occupied by an on-screen keyboard, allowing you to enjoy a more immersive display experience. Originally released last year for select iPhones, the Clix keyboard case is now making its way to the Android ecosystem, with compatibility extending to a handful of models, including the cutting-edge foldable devices, such as the Motorola Razr 2024 and Razr Plus 2024. Which means that even those who prefer a modern, flexible smartphone design can now benefit from the tactile satisfaction and productivity enhancements offered by a dedicated physical keyboard. When attached to a compatible smartphone, Clix replaces a conventional digital keyboard with a full QWERTY layout that not only facilitates faster typing, but also allows you to execute device operations with customizable keyboard shortcuts, enabling you to launch your favorite apps or trigger your AI assistant with a simple combination of keys. And all of these shortcuts can be personalized through the Companion app, which also allows you to adjust the keyboard's backlight for optimal use during nighttime or in low-light environments. The case connects via USB-C to your device, ensuring seamless pass-through charging and data transfer without the need to remove the case, so you can continue to charge your smartphone or transfer files without interruption. Notably, the variant designed for Motorola Razr Plus 2024 and Razr 2024 is engineered to work with both the inner display and the cover display, meaning that if you're using the cover screen, you get to utilize a full 4-inch display without the need to flip open your phone, a feature that maximizes efficiency and convenience on the go. In addition, Clix is available for other popular models, including the Google Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, although it does not support the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and is also offered for Samsung's Galaxy S25, but not for the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra, reflecting a selective compatibility strategy. The case is priced at $139, mirroring the starting price of its iPhone counterpart. Yet for those who pre-order before March 21st, there's an enticing offer to get it for just $99 with a $49 deposit, making this accessory a must-have for productivity enthusiasts and nostalgic tech fans alike. Shipping dates vary based on the specific device you are purchasing for and the color option chosen. For instance, the Clix case of the Pixel 9 Pro is expected to begin shipping by the end of April, while the version for Motorola's foldable devices is slated to ship by the end of May, and the model for the Galaxy S25 is anticipated to ship in June. Overall, the Clix keyboard case represents an innovative fusion of retro design and modern functionality, providing a physical typing solution that not only enhances productivity, but also offers a unique, tactile experience in an era dominated by touchscreens. Whether you're a professional who misses the convenience of a physical keyboard or simply someone looking to add a distinctive accessory to your Android device, the Clix case could be the perfect tool to elevate your smartphone experience. And with its competitive pricing and versatile connectivity options, it stands out as a compelling alternative to traditional on-screen keyboards. Thank you for joining us on this detailed review of the new Clix keyboard case for Android. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive tech updates and in-depth reviews. This is TechVerse, signing off.